If you've noticed dozens of small holes in your lawn with bees flying low over the grass, don't panic. They're probably ground bees, and the good news is they're much less aggressive than wasps or yellow jackets. But if they're taking over your yard, there are a few things you can do to make them leave without using harsh chemicals. The first thing to understand is why they're there. Ground bees don't build hives in trees or walls. They dig small tunnels in dry, bare soil. If your lawn has thin patches of grass, loose dirt, or sandy soil, it's the perfect place for them to nest. The quickest way to stop them is to make your yard less attractive. Start by watering your lawn a little more often. Ground bees prefer dry soil because it's much easier to dig. Keeping the soil slightly moist during their nesting season makes it less appealing. You don't need to flood your yard, just avoid letting the ground become dry and dusty. Next, look for bare patches of soil. This is where most ground bees build their nests. Reseed those areas with grass or cover them with mulch if they're in flower beds. A thick, healthy lawn leaves very few places for bees to dig. If you find a group of nesting holes, don't block them while the bees are still inside. The bees will simply dig another exit nearby. Instead, wait until the nesting season is over. Then fill the holes with soil and reseed the area so they don't return next year. Another thing that helps is reducing soil disturbance during nesting season. Digging or mowing directly over active nests can make the bees defensive. Most ground bees rarely sting unless they're stepped on or handled, so it's usually best to leave the nesting area alone until they finish their short nesting period. If the nests are close to a doorway, children's play area, or somewhere people walk every day, you may need to remove them sooner. In that case, the safest option is to contact a local beekeeper or pest control company that can identify the species first. Many ground bees are important native pollinators, and some species are active for only a few weeks each year before leaving on their own. Now, let's talk about the things that usually don't work. Pouring boiling water into the holes is a common suggestion online. It may kill some bees, but it can also damage your lawn and rarely reaches every tunnel. Pouring gasoline, bleach, or other chemicals into the ground is even worse. Besides harming the soil and nearby plants, these chemicals can contaminate groundwater and are dangerous to people and pets. Many people also try to seal the holes while the bees are active. This usually doesn't solve the problem because the bees simply dig another opening nearby. Fake owls, plastic snakes, and ultrasonic pest repellers also have little evidence behind them. Ground bees aren't looking for food in your yard. They're looking for suitable soil, so changing the soil conditions is much more effective than trying to scare them. If you absolutely need to use an insecticide, choose one that's specifically labeled for ground nesting bees and follow the instructions carefully. The best time to treat active nests is after sunset or very early in the morning when most bees are inside their tunnels. Never spray flowering plants because you could accidentally harm honeybees and other helpful pollinators. The biggest mistake people make is trying to kill every bee they see. Ground bees are actually beneficial insects. They pollinate flowers, vegetables, and fruit trees, and most species are active for only 4 to 6 weeks each year. Once that period is over, the adults die naturally and the nests are abandoned. So if the bees aren't bothering anyone, the best solution is often to wait until the nesting season ends and then make the area less attractive for next year. If you want the best long-term results, keep your lawn healthy, water dry areas during nesting season, reseed bare patches, and remove old nesting holes once the bees are gone. Those simple steps do far more than any quick home remedy and are the most reliable way to stop ground bees from returning year after year.